Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. It's your maths book for class 7. Dear students, now today our topic is operation on rational numbers. Now open your book page 28, exercise 2.2. Question number 1 is solve. Let's see, dear students, we know that we have learned the addition, subtraction and multiplication of more or more than two integers and fractions in the previous classes. On similarly pattern, proceed for rational numbers. Now how we will do this question? For example, I have a question 5 by 6 minus into minus 3 by 8. First we simplify it. 5 by 6 minus into minus plus 3 by 8. Now this is a fraction form. 6 and 8, we will take the LCM of these denominator like that. 6 and 8 in rough work. Let's see. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, then 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. Now the LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. LCM is 24 here. Dear students, after this we will write the LCM 24. After this we have the fraction, that is 5 by 6, first fraction. We divide the 24 with first fraction, that is divisor will be 6. Now 6 4s are 24. Student, this quotient I will multiply with the numerator of first fraction, that is 5 multiplied by 6, 4. After this we have the second fraction, that is 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8, let's see, we divide the 24 with 8. Now we get the 8 3s are 24. Now 3 is the quotient of second fraction. Now 3 multiply with 3. This is the right way. Now 5 4s are 20 plus 3 3s are 9, divide by 24. After this we will add these numbers. 20 plus 9, this is 29, divide by 24. Now student, this is an improper fraction, that's why we will divide it, we convert it into mixed number. 29, 24 ones are 24. We get the remainder 5. We will write over here 1 whole 5 by 24. We will write it like that, 1 whole 5 by 24. That is our an exact answer. Now student, I have another question. 3 by 7 plus into minus 5 by 2. Now first we simplify it. Plus into minus minus 5 by 2. Now how we will do it? First we will take the LCM of denominator, 7 and 2. 7 1s are 7, then 2 1s are 2. Now LCM is equal to 7 2s are 14. Now here we have 14 LCM. After this we will write the 14 like that. Now our first fraction is 3 by 7. Student, now 7 our is divisor and 14 is dividend. 7 2 is equal to 14. Now 2 is the quotient. Now this quotient multiply with the first fraction numerator. 2 multiply by 3 minus. Now our second fraction is 5 by 2. Now 2 is the divisor and 14 is our LCM. 2 7s are 14. Now 7 is our quotient. We multiply this quotient with numerator of second fraction. Now 2 3s are 6 minus 7 5s are 35. Divide by 14. Now here we have the minus sign with greater value. We will write the minus over here first and then we subtract the 35 with 6. 29 by 14. Now this is also improper fraction. We convert it into mixed number. 14 2s are 28. We get the remainder 1. We will write it like that, 2 whole 1 by 14 minus 2 whole 1 by 14 is our answer. Now dear students, now I have another question. Find the additive inverse of 1 by 7. Now what is additive inverse? What is additive inverse property? Let's see. The sum of a number and its additive inverse always equal to 0. For every number a plus into minus a is equal to 0. I have a question, for example, if I have a question minus 7, then the additive inverse of minus 7 will be plus 7 because we get the 0. Now if I have a question plus 7, then additive inverse of plus 7 is minus 7 and we get the 0. The sum of a number and its additive inverse is 0 is called the additive inverse property. Now students, we can solve this question. For example, I have a question 1 by 8. Now additive inverse of 1 by 8 will be 1 by 8. It is in form of positive. We will write the negative 1 by 8. Let's see, it will be equal with 0. For example, I have another question minus 10. Then the minus 10 additive inverse of minus 10 will be plus 10 because it is equal to 0. Now in question, how we will write it? For example, I have 1 by 6. Now the additive inverse of 1 by 6 is minus 1 by 6. Now question I have, for example, 10. Now additive inverse is minus 10. If I have a question is minus 9, then additive inverse of minus 9 will be plus 9. We can't write plus because also a number show the positive if we can't write the positive sign here. Now students, you can solve all the questions of exercise 2.2 page 28 at your home. Thank you dear class students.